In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate the net present value, or NPV, in Excel. So here in example 1, we have a cash flow table which tells us the years, discount rate, and cash flows for each respective year. To calculate the NPV, press equals, type down NPV, fill in the rate, which is our discount rate here, 10%. You can also do this manually by just inputting 10%. Then press comma or semicolon, depending on if you're using a Mac or Windows, and drag the cash flows starting year 1 to year 5. Close the bracket and add your cash flow from year 0. The reason why we exclude the cash flow from year 0 is because year 0 is today, right? It's already a present value, while the NPV formula in Excel calculates future values. Year 1 here, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, refers to cash flows at the end of the year. So if year 1 is at the end of year 1, it means that it's a future value, and hence Excel will calculate it for us. So we press enter and we get the net present value. Moving on to example 2, we have a cash flow table as well, and to calculate the NPV, we just press equals, type down NPV, fill in our rate here, drag the values from years 1 to year 4, close the bracket, and add the value from year 0. Press enter and we get the NPV as well. Thank you for listening.